What is up, everyone, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir, and I am heading to camping. Oh yeah! We're outside of Poughkeepsie, New York, or I am. I'm heading to meet Adam, the owner and proprietor of Dirty Billy Garage, and Ducati NYC will be meeting us tomorrow night, or tomorrow afternoon. So just a solo ride for me, and it is absolutely glorious. Absolutely lovely. We're going to be going to this tenter spot, so it's kind of a little bit of a glamping trip. There is a tent on the property, and I guess it has bunk beds, but I brought everything with me. I have all my things, so no real change for me. But I am running behind because I've been doing all the back roads, every back road. So now I had to stop and just make sure I'm on the fastest route there. And we'll chill out a little bit. Come on, peeps. Please, thank you. Okay, we'll go ahead and get around this person. That would have been the nice thing for them to do, is also pull over and let me through, but, you know, not everyone is nice. Oh yeah. Super pretty. Glorious back roads. Must be a lot of cottages and things. Oh, look, yeah, there's all sorts of things you can do out here, I guess. I guess this is a state park. Oh, beautiful. Just glorious. I saw a sign for the name of the state park, but it is Winnie Wasa Wasa Bika. Yeah, I can't pronounce it, so I'm not going to try to. Oh, so glorious. Yeah, I've got about 22 minutes left. Maybe I'll film if everything looks like this. My goodness. I will be filming the entire thing. Make sure to turn on my Senna so I'm getting the directions. So right now I'm not really paying attention to the phone. Something's coming up here. It's like another nice pull-off area. Look at that view. Holy shnikes. Oh my god. Look at that. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Please and thank you. Oh, great. Fantastic. I'm gonna go around. Okay. That works for me. Oh my god. Alright. Aye! Who knew out in the middle of the nowhere there'd be so many people pulling out in front of me. Alright, 11 more miles. 11 more miles of gorgeousness. Alright. This guy's a brother. He knows not to go slow. I like him. I approve. I can do this. Need to make sure I can find this place. It is off the beaten path, so it's one of those tent locations or the campsite location where, you know, they give you an idea. They give you an idea how to get there. Oh shit, I missed. See? Minnewaska. 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 Waka Waka. Ah, right. Not bad. Okay, we're good. Alright, this looks like a straight shot. Oh ho ho ho, yeah. Yeah, this looks like a nice little town. I mean, everyone, when you think of New York, you think of New York City. Hardly anyone... Wait, where the heck am I going? Okay. Okay. Alright, this is kind of just... Well, I think I'm on the right track. I don't know. This was just repaved, you can tell. Very nice road. Oh, gorgeous. Better keep my eye out for deer and whatnot. Rochester. Interesting. Turn left, okay. Hello there, FedEx. Okay. Yeah, it's so funny that the majority of New York City, or New York, is rural. You know, it's just so pretty and gorgeous little homes. Like, that needs a lot of work, but that's pretty dope. Still have cell phone service so far. Sorry guys, I'm really not talking very much. I'm just kind of concentrating and trying to pay attention to where I'm freaking going. The last thing I want to do is get lost. Ugh, oh, skunk. Ugh. Area. Good. Well, these roads have been worth it. My goodness. I did hit the usual traffic coming out of the city, which was not great. Nothing like getting frustrated having to lane split for so long, you know, before coming out here. Close. All right, 8 minutes. I want to have a beer. All right. Then once I got out of the city, I just took a bunch of back roads, 9W basically all the way. Made a few pit stops just to take some pictures and whatever, you know. Make a day of it. Sundown Road. 2 more miles. I want to get around these guys. Not fast enough. road looks a little damp. Doesn't it? Doesn't look like it might have rained or something? Interesting. 1.8 miles. Got some good curves coming up. Just pretty. Just so pretty. Sundown Road coming up. All right, let's see. Sundown Road, here we go. And now I need to find the place. Good luck to me. I'm going to enjoy myself very much. Being with a buddy. Tomorrow I'll be with Ducati NYC and Adam. It'll be fucking glorious. Sorry, I didn't need to yell right there. Anyways, kids, I'm gonna turn off the camera now and save some battery for the campsite and get some camping vlogs in for you. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon.